Hello everyone, welcome to Blessed Tech. On today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to participate on Rise Testnet. Alright, is how to clean your faucets. Once you click on the site, take here, then paste your link, your address here, your Metamask wallet address here. Then you verify your captures, your sources. Then click on request. We're going to, first of all, we're going to request for Rise and faucet. Alright, you search for the Rise here. Okay, let's look for Rise and let's request. Alright, I've received 100 rice. So the rice is the rice. Then I'll request for more. Let's click on requesting. At times your network will be frustrating, so it will not be able to work for you. So but keep on trying. Make sure you get all the tokens. Keep on getting the tokens. We're going to get the next token you're going to get now is let's look for you can see the points I've got. So then after that so let's look for another one. Okay, Ethereum, let's do Ethereum request. I've gotten another Ethereum 0.001 Ethereum. Then I'll look for another one again. Let's Mango. Is it Mango? The request. I also request for that one also. Please, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. Alright, you can also join my group on description below, on the video description. Alright, then the link to this faucet and to the main exchange, to the main site of this is going to be on description. So click on description, you see every details about it. Alright, so if you get the old tokens that is necessary here, the USTD coin, just keep on watching the video. You see how I get to all those points done. So please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Turn note the notification button. Right? If you see that this video is helpful to you, very helpful. So we have to request for another one token. This faucet are the one I'm going to use to do the swapping and pull and swapping, because most particularly in testnet, those faucet tokens are only used for transactions, they're not in the main coin, so we use it for transactions to get more. Because mostly in testnet, your transactions matters a lot. Okay, your transaction count in testnet a lot. So we have to get all these things done. Keep on doing it. Keep on, let's request. There are many. You can see the transaction I've done so far, and the one people are doing. You can see things updating by itself. It's updating. So we are done with that. So let's go to the main app here. Then you have to connect your wallet. You switch to Rise Testnet. Right, I've already done you can see I've connected my wallet address, which is that particular address that I pasted. The same address that you pasted, that's the one that you connect. So I need to do some swapping here, whereby first start with Rise, so that Rise token, then I'll look for other coins to swap to. Okay, it's very important. For now, I'm just swapping. There is no way to provide liquidity for now. I'm just seeing swapping, but let's be doing that. Be swapping to other token. To get more information regarding this particular faucet, click on the description below. You will see my link. You see my WhatsApp group link. Join my WhatsApp group link. Then once you've done this like this, click on approve. Alright, I'm going to make use of one right. Click on approve. The transaction is going to pop up. Or please subscribe to my channel if you are not done that. Subscribe to my channel, turn notification. Alright, So you're going to click on confirm. Click on confirm, and once that's done, that is all. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video.